Myself, Dr. M.D. Satpute, Department of Botany, KVP Mahavidyalaya, Pandharpur. Today, I am going to teach Botany syllabus. BSc Part 2, paper number 5. Name of paper, Plant Anatomy, semester 3rd. Today, we will see meristems, introduction of meristems, general characters of meristems and classification of meristems. First, introduction of meristems. Meristo is a Greek word. Meristo means division. Means in meristems, cells are continuously divided. The tissue containing the cells that are continuously dividing is called a meristematic tissue. Usually found apices of roots and shoots. Such a region containing the meristematic tissue is called a meristems. This is the simple definition of meristematic tissue and meristems. The term meristem originally introduced by Nazim in 1858. Then next point is general characters of meristems. First character, meristematic cells are living, small, rounded, oval, polygonal or rectangular in shape. They possess the powerhouse of cells or powerhouse of cell division. Meristematic cells are mostly isodiametric and they are compactly arranged together, hence intercellular space is absent. Cell wall of meristematic tissue or cell is made up of cellulose and cell wall is thin. Cells are compactly filled with protoplasm, hence vacuoles absent or very small. Each cell contains single large prominent nucleus and are in a state of active division. Reserve food material is absent, hence they are highly metabolically active. Plastids, endoplasmic reticulum are poorly developed in meristematic tissue. Cells are opaque because they are filled with cytoplasm. The cells divide in one plane or two planes or in all possible planes. Such a meristem is known as a eumeristem. Function of meristem is a formation of new cells and tissues. These are the general characters of meristems. Then next point, classification of meristems. There are mainly 4 types of classification of meristems. First type, classification of meristems based on origin and developing of initiating cells. On the basis of based on origin and developing of initiating cells are of 3 types: promeristem, primary meristem and secondary meristems. Then second type of classification based on plane of division. There are 3 types. First, rib meristem, plate meristem, and mass meristem. Then third type, classification of meristems based on position. On the basis of position, there are three types: protoderma, procambium, and ground meristem. Then fourth type of classification based on position in the plant body. On the basis of position in the plant body, meristems classified into three types: apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristems. This is the outline of classification of meristems. Then meristems based on origin in developing of initiating cells. First, promeristem means meristems where foundation of new organs or their parts is laid down is referred as promeristem. Second type, primary meristems have their origin from beginning of embryo, function, develop primary structure of plants. Then third type, secondary meristems. Secondary meristems arise from matured permanent tissues. They have no typical promeristems, therefore called secondary meristems. Function of secondary meristem: increase diameter. Then second classification, meristems based on plane of division. There are also three types. First is rib meristem, means plane of division restricted to the right angles at the longitudinal axis of the cell. That is, cells divide only one plane, that is transversely. And rib meristems mainly found in lower plants, for example algae, fungi, and bryophytes. Function of rib meristem gives rise to cortex, pith of stem and root. Then plate meristem. Plate meristem cells divided in two planes, that is transversely and longitudinally, so that plate of cell is formed and bring about intercalary growth. Third type, mass meristems. In mass meristems, cell divisions occurs in all possible planes like transverse, longitudinal, radially, tangentially, so as to develop a mass of cells. Function of mass meristem: formation of massive plant body or organ of plant body. Then third type of classification of meristems based on function. On the basis of function, meristem classified as protoderma, procambium, and ground meristem. First, protoderma. Protoderma is outermost meristematic layer of young growing regions which develops into epidermis. Then procambium, composed of narrow, elongated, prosenchymatous meristematic cells that develop into primary vascular tissues. Then third type, ground meristem. Ground meristem, it is a precursor of ground tissue system and has large and thin walled cells. And fourth type, classification of meristems based on position. There are three subtypes: apical meristem, intercalary meristem, and lateral meristems. First, apical meristems These are the growing points, and apical meristems lie at the apices of main and secondary shoots and roots. This is the apical meristems. It lies at the shoot apices. Function of apical meristem: increase in length. Second step, intercalary meristems. Intercalary meristems lies between regions of permanent tissues referred as intercalary meristem. Function of intercalary meristem: increase the length of axis. This is the intercalary meristem. Then last third type, that is lateral meristem. Due to its lateral position known as a lateral meristem, it is possessed along the lateral side of stem and root. Function of lateral meristem: responsible for increase in diameter. This is the lateral meristem. Due to its lateral position, it is also known as a lateral meristem. Thank you.